Hey everyone, Mark Anthony back with Not Your Father's Crypto. Today I want to talk a little bit about the Luna collapse and how UST has broken down and what that means for cryptocurrency and stablecoins alike moving forward. So if you have not done so, before we get down into it, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and drop your comments down below. It means a lot for us to grow. But here we go. Last week, Luna coin was worth $85, all right? So let's take a quick flash to the chart. All right, so this is Luna, right? Now it is basically untradeable, down almost 100% as we speak, and it is continuously remaining to keep falling. All right, so how about this chart? And boy, do I feel for any Luna holders. I did not own Luna at the time of this. I had it a long time ago. Because I was a believer in the algorithmic way of stablecoins and thought that would have been something that would have been necessary for long-term growth for this project. However, later on in this video, I'm going to get into what actually causes collapse, okay? And this is important to know because with all stablecoins and all cryptos alike, this is providing a key data point down the timeline of crypto so that moving forward, we can look at this as a learning experience for our investments and for our development of cryptos to see and make sure that this does not happen again, okay? And for those of you that were Luna investors, I feel for you guys. I know a lot of people who got burned, and this is not something, even in times of extreme fear and uncertainty within the markets, this is not something that anybody wants to see in terms of a 99% fall. Okay, so the chart pretty much speaks for itself, and once again, I feel for you guys. So let's take a look at what actually happens and how this happens, right? So as everyone knows, Luna is a highly deflationary token, and the way that it works is it is linked on the Terra blockchain, okay? So it is basically this Terra USD, otherwise known as UST, is pegged to the US dollar, okay? So it's just like a normal stable coin, however, it functions more on an algorithmic basis, okay? So as I said earlier, when Luna was trading at $85 a coin, what that basically means is for one Luna, you would have to burn 85 USTs, okay? So that's how that works, and the burning, the constant burning that goes on with these stable coins on an algorithmic level is something that is highly deflationary and causes extreme, the way that this broke down, can absolutely flip a chart and basically flip the supply and completely wreck the token as a whole, okay? So what actually happened was this had to do with a lot of the anchor protocol, these high staking yields that people had with stablecoins, and everybody goes, myself included, oh, you know, this is so much good. We get, you know, 20% on staking a stablecoin that's going to constantly be $1. Well, it's not all sunshine and roses, and this is exactly what happens when extreme fear and volatility set in, okay? So the way it works is it's a one-to-one conversion with UST to $1 Luna, okay? So that's exactly what happens. So it is, in the way that it can happen with the supply is when that scale teeter-totters and it's not a one-to-one ratio, that's when things can go extremely wrong, okay? So what the big notable event that kind of sparked this whole you know, implosion of Luna is I'm trying to find, there was a, yes, okay, so over the weekend, $2 billion of UST, okay, which is the stable coin associated with Luna, all right, was taken out of this high yield staking protocol, anchor protocol, all right, and which a lot of people use. A lot of people have success with it, and a lot of people stake UST for this reason. It was highly successful over time. So when hundreds of millions of dollars immediately sold, so over $2 billion, right? So this is just basically the same thing we saw with the Russia invasion. It's just a highly volatile reaction to market climate during this period of time. And the interest rates going up sparked this. There's a lot of factors that that went into this, okay? And when that happened, a lot of people followed suit, okay? And then arbitrage sat in, okay? So then the price went down to 91 cents, down from $1, okay? So $1 of Luna was only worth 90 cents, okay? So then the burning sets in, and then over time, it's just a giant snowball effect, okay? And that seesaw with that 1-to-1 ratio gets way spiraled out of control, okay? And that's exactly what happens when all that sell-off on a stable coin causes a depeg of UST from the US dollar, and essentially finds us at where we are now, where Luna, which was once, $100, is virtually worthless. And as I said earlier, I feel for you guys. Feel for any Luna investor. I feel for the guy who created the token, because his intentions were all pure. It just it's unfortunate to see such a big market cap token completely implode in this short period of time. So just wanted to get that out there for you guys. Moving forward, this will be a nice precedent that we will have to go off of for converting into stable coins and managing our profile. Our bags when we have stable coins and conversions and selling and swapping. It's just going to be just another precedent and data point to use as a asset moving forward. So let me know what you think about how Luna is reacting, if you guys were caught up in all this, and what your thoughts on the video. And please subscribe. It does mean a lot. And we will see you on the next one.